Hey, this is Anne Marie of Future Flying Saucers, and I just wanted to let you know what I did for a simple gospel message using the Wordless Book this fall for our fall festival. And it comes from, the Wordless Book is based off of the Child Evangelism Fellowship Wordless Book. And if you are not familiar with this resource, I highly recommend it. I did a review of it on the blog. You can find it there. It's the Children's Ministry Resource Bible. It's fantastic. It's a great resource. Highly recommend it. But anyway, the Wordless Book takes the different colors and it teaches the gospel to children. And so I wanted to use the colors, but then I also wanted to use objects that would help the children remember what the colors stood for. So what I did was just very simply, the first color is gold. And I just ask them what gold reminds them of, and then I go through the steps of the Wordless Book that goes with this color. And now I did do little cheat sheets on the back side. So gold circle endlessness and the wonderfulness of heaven with the gold. Then you go to black, and this was supposed to remind them of the snake and of sin. And here again, I put my cheat notes on the back, and I just asked them what is sin, and then we had a discussion about that. Then we went to red, which is for Jesus's blood, and we made the cross out of the red paper. And then we go to the white, and I made a heart that went with it. And then here again, cheat notes on the back, but the kids can't see it. And so I have my scripture and everything that you need on the back, so I didn't forget anything, because you know when you get in front of people you can get a little flustered, at least I do. And then the last color, and this is when you have the kids hopefully make a decision for Jesus, but then you also have some children who already are believers in Jesus, and so you need to talk to them about growth, and so therefore you have the color green and you have the tree. And here again, notes on the back. And so this is what I did for our fall festival. Very simple. It took about 10 minutes, and we actually had about 26 kids come down, not for salvations, but to ask questions and rededication, and it was a good time. So I hope that that'll help you with the Wordless Book. Again, I want to emphasize getting this resource if you don't have it. This is a great resource. And have a great day, and keep on doing what you're doing. You are making an impact in the kingdom. Thank you.